In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a form, connect it to a subscriber group, and customize its design so it fits your brand and goals. First, let's start by creating the form itself. Inside your Mailerlite dashboard, look for the Forms section. Here, you'll see options like embedded forms and pop-ups. Choose the one that fits how you want the form to appear on your site. Embedded forms are great if you want the form to sit directly on a page, while pop-ups are better if you want to capture attention at specific moments. Once you've chosen your type, click Create. You'll be asked to enter a name for your form. Use something descriptive so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan on creating multiple forms. After naming it, click Save and continue to move on. Next, you'll select the subscriber group that this form will feed into. This step is important because it tells Mailerlite where to store the contacts who sign up. You should see a list of your existing groups. Check the box next to the subscriber group you want new signups to be added to. If you organize your audience by interests or segments, make sure you're choosing the right group for this particular form. When you're done, click Continue. Now it's time to edit the form design. You'll first land in the template gallery. Here, you can browse through different layout options. Pick a template that matches the style and purpose of your form, whether that's a simple email capture or a slightly more detailed sign-up. After selecting a layout, you'll enter the editor. Inside the editor, you can click on any text or heading area to customize it. Replace the default text with your own message, such as a clear headline and a short explanation of what people are signing up for. Next, click on the email field. If you want to collect additional information like first name, last name, or other details, use the Add Field option. Just remember, the more fields you add, the more effort it takes for someone to sign up, so keep it as simple as your strategy allows. At the top center of the editor, switch to the Success tab. This controls what people see after they submit the form. Edit the post-submission text to thank them, confirm what they can expect next, or give any important instructions. When you're happy with everything, click Done Editing to save your design. And that's it. You've created a form in Mailerlite, connected it to a subscriber group, and customized both the look and the success message so it's ready to use.